To export a reconstructed Ceph from a CBCT, begin in Easy3Di software with the scan open. From here, we're going to click on the main menu button on the upper left of the screen and select Export Recon or Reconstructed Ceph from the main menu. The Recon Ceph window will appear. Options include full, left, or right position. You may also get a frontal or submental vertex view if desired as well. Adjust the brightness and contrast sliders to fine-tune the image. Also, click Include to Image under the patient information to hard stamp the patient name and information on the image itself. Next, click Save and save to your desired location on your local computer. This image is a standard image file type which may be emailed.